Good morning, everybody. Jacques here for Inkish, and we're here at the HID, which is Hunkeler Innovationdays, of course. And I'm hitting it off here at the RISO booth, the RISO stand, and I'm talking to Marc. Hi, Marc.
Hi, Jacques. Nice to meet you.
How are you doing?
I'm fine. So really excited to talk with you today for Inkish. So
fantastic. First day here for RISO.
Yeah.
So, what are your first impressions on the show?
Yeah. So first of all, Hunkeler Days are one of my most favorite exhibitions. So we got many professional visitors here to visit our booth. So we're looking forward to meet some old friends, some customers, some new prospects, and to meet the press to talk about our machines, our devices, so our solutions.
That's why we're here. So yeah, RISO, of course, we heard about the brand for a number of years, and as we were talking before, to me anyways, and to a lot of the people in the industry, RISO was mainly, we thought, about production printing, you know,
Yes.
Which you still do. But here, tell us a little bit about you. You brought some other stuff as well, because you're moving more also into the finishing of things. So
Exactly.
What are you showing?
Yeah, so Drupa was the first step. Last year we showed, the main topic at Drupa was solution focused. So we showed many different solutions. So this is why I call it Drupa facelift. So we show here the brand new RISO together with Blockmatic system. It's now been launched during the Hunkeler Innovationdays. In the back we see the ExpertJet with the Premier. We combined it with the tandem machine, the RISO 200, and it's producing 330 images per minute, which is enormous for this machine we see right here. And yeah, together with the ExpertJet system, which produces 10,000 envelopes an hour.
Nice. Yeah. Well, maybe also very interesting for our viewers, remind them a little bit about the uniqueness of the RISO system, because everybody thinks about the inkjet, but your system is a bit particular.
Yes,
tell us a little bit about it.
We are unique in the market as we use oil-based pigment ink. So this causes we don't need any drying mechanism for the machines. So the ink dries directly, falling on the paper, and is dry in the end. So we need no drying systems. This means we got a very low energy consumption. So we talk about 80-90% compared to a toner machine. And if you see our largest machine with the highest output, we talk about less than 3,000 watts the machine is using in maximum.
Also, the thing that strikes me is the physical footprint of the machine.
Yes.
I mean, you have the printing, high speed, you have the finishing, and it's all like on a very small footprint.
That's unique. This ExpertJet solution we gained here. We got this solution in less than 10 square meters.
Wow.
So very small footprint. For our machines, we don't need any high voltages. We use standard voltages for the machines. We don't need some special air conditioning or getting the hot air out of the machine, because we got no hot air.
You don't have it.
Yeah.
Well,
So that's why we call it cold printing.
Cold printing. Well, maybe some other last thing for me, which I find very interesting, because the theme at Hunkeler Innovationdays is connect, right? And RISO before, as I said, I always thought we're more into the production, you know, printing and get the sheet out. What other, let's say, brands or finishing solutions are you working with, or are you going to have working in the near future?
We recognize that RISO works very good together with third-party finishing solutions. So in the past, we got a huge history of partners like Böwe, we see in the back, MB Boiler, which is now part of GUG. We got Pitney Bowes Bluegrass systems, and so on. The list is very long, so I can't list up any, but we really opened it, and this is what makes the Blockmatic machine special. As before the Blockmatic, we got our new interface unit, which can easily connect in future to any third-party finishing system without a huge effort. So this is future we see right here. So an open API, like in software, for third-party finishing devices.
Well, fantastic, Marc. Thank you for the update. I mean, I think it's fantastic that also you guys open up, let's say, to the rest of the industry. And I mean, you've heard it here. Absolutely come to the RISO booth if you want to hear more. And I'll catch you in the next one.